How to create a poll on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can create polls on WhatsApp, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to create polls on WhatsApp, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the WhatsApp application. Now if you have any sort of group that you've created, you can just go ahead and select a certain group, and once you are in that group, if you want to create a poll, you can just tap this little pin like icon from the bottom right of the screen, and here you'll find the option called polls. Once you do that, you can simply just type in to enter your question over here. You can simply add an option A or option B, or if you want to add another question, you can just select option C, or whatever else you prefer over here. You should be able to add as much as you like. Once you've done that, you can also allow multiple answers if you want. Otherwise, you can just hit the send option in order to send this as a poll message, and people who are on your group will be able to simply vote between these polls as you would be able to find it. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically create a poll on WhatsApp. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you soon in the next video.